guys, welcome back to Maika's Crafts. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some candles at home. So first of all, the main thing you'll be requiring is wax. So you can buy wax online or you can find them in some stores. I had some previously at home, so I'm using that. So first, if you want to have any color for your candle, then you can use any old crayons that you have. You can choose a color of your choice. You just have to grate it like this. Make it into very tiny bits so it's easier to melt and mix. So you can keep doing that until it's done. I have already done one color. So I'm making two candles. So I chose green for one and purple for the other. Next we're going to be making this. So you should have candle molds to make these candles, or you can use any small bowls that you like. So we're going to be making this setup. So what you're going to do is take one of your molds and a thread that can be used as a wick. And for the top holding, I'm using this stick. So first you're going to take this thread and get it through this hole from underneath this. So I have gotten the thread through this. Now we're going to make a knot. So over here it will be tight. Next you're going to take this base over here so that we get the exact height of the candle wick, and you're going to tie this stick onto this. So I have tied it like this, and if you have any foam sheet you can put it over here so that the wax doesn't come out of here. Next we're going to melt the wax and add the crayon colors to it. So first you're going to take how much ever wax you need in a bowl, and you should add your color as well, but later on. First you're going to while you are making all this, I started heating water over here, and we're going to melt this in a double boiling technique, which means there'll be water, and on top we're gonna add this container and let it melt. So I'm going to let it melt for some time and mix it around. So we're just going to mix it and let it melt. So as you can see, the wax is starting to melt. And now when it's melting, you can add your color as well. You're going to let it mix and melt. So now after it melts, the wax will look like this with the color. You're just going to take the mold and slowly pour in the wax without spilling anything out. You can use how much ever wax according to the size of the candle that you need. Now you're just going to leave it aside and let it dry. So now the candles have dried. I have left them overnight. I removed them as well, and while removing them you have to cut the thread that was at the bottom of the candle. So I just cut them out for the candles. And now we're even going to cut out this, and we're going to leave a little bit of thread so that we can light it up like this. And also you have to cut the excess thread that will be hanging, otherwise it's gonna become like this. But for this one I have cut and it came proper. And also for you to make it easier for you to remove the candles from the molds, you should apply oil to the molds on all the sides and the bottom, and the candle will come out easily. So these are the final. If you like, you can also make these candles with 2 to 3 colors. Now you can see that it kind of came like a gradual shade on both the candles. There's dark on the bottom and light on the top. But you can actually make different colors by pouring the liquid of 2-3 different colors on top of each other. So for this other type of candle, you will require any transparent sheet. So first you're going to cut it up in the size of the square or rectangle that you like. So I cut one on the upper side. Next we have to poke a hole right in the middle. So I finished poking a hole. I used a compass to do that, and then I got a thread through it. Now you're just going to take some oil and put it on the thread so that it will burn. I'm doing it for the whole thread. After you do this, keep this aside. And now get any kind of bowl that you would like. I would prefer a glass bowl, and fill water in it. Take some oil and just put it on top. Now you're going to put this thread. So this plastic will float. Now with my mom's help, I'm going to light this. You can even put few more candles around, and you can decorate it with few flowers. So I'm just decorating it a bit. So I lighted up all the candles, and this is how it looks. This will look like a transparent one floating, just like light on the water. And you can just put more flowers or like fill it up with flowers to look better. So you also have to apply the oil properly and wait for it to be soaked so that it will burn properly. You can make these homemade candles for festivals or to just make it look like lit and all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come back for another one, and thank you for watching. Bye. So here's the answer to the previous puzzle. Kindle of kittens, field of racehorses, pack of wolves, pride of lions, and skulk of foxes. And here's the next puzzle. So I have given you a few letters and a grid, and you're supposed to place these letters inside the grid to form two meaningful words. So comment down your answers, and I'll tell you guys the answers in the next video.